good morning to one and all. I am Ria, student of 9th. Today I am present over here to deliver my topic, and today is my topic on blood donation. As we know, all of us have studied how blood is important for our body to function properly and
As the student said, so we welcome you all over here in the Shri Sai Public School premises, and we hope that you will enjoy over here, and whatever the promise you made by yourself to your parents that you will do good in the school, you will fulfill all the things over here in this school. From the beginning, as we have the first day of this session 2024 and 25. So we should prove itself that whatever the lacking we have done in last year will fulfill all our aim, all our target in this year.